Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to automatically share your WhatsApp status to the Facebook. Okay, so for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. So first open your WhatsApp on your phone. After opening, go to status, and here on the top right side corner of your screen, you can get three dots. Just tap on it and open the status privacy like this. Okay, and here you can get the option tap to add your Facebook. So just tap on it and select the terms and condition and just tap on get started, and it will automatically open your Facebook. As you can see, just read the terms and condition and then click on agree button. That's it. Okay, now your Facebook account was added on your WhatsApp. When you share something on your WhatsApp status, it will automatically share to your Facebook stories. So now you need to enable this option. Just tap on the Facebook, and here you can get the option always share to Facebook story. If you want to automatically share your WhatsApp status to your Facebook story, just you need to enable this option. That's it. Okay, so this is the easy and simple method to enable the Facebook and WhatsApp status sharing option on your Android phone. In case if you are not getting this option, so simply go to the Google Play Store and update your WhatsApp from the Play Store. After then you will get this option. In case in future if you want to disable it, here you can get the option disable status sharing to Facebook. Just tap on it and then tap on disable. That's it. It will disable that feature. Okay, so that's it for today guys. The short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.